Bora Bora, Paradise Island experience in stunning UHD. Drone sweeps across Bora Bora's turquoise lagoon, iconic Mount Otemanu rising in the distance. White overwater bungalows floating above crystal water. In the heart of the South Pacific, where sea meets sky in every shade of blue, lies Bora Bora. An island so beautiful, it feels almost unreal. A place where volcanic peaks rise over emerald lagoons, where coral gardens bloom under gentle waves, and where sunsets paint the horizon in colors words can't capture. Welcome to Bora Bora, paradise perfected. Arrival and first glimpse. We arrived by plane over the lagoon, ferry gliding from the airport islet to the main island. As our plane descends, Bora Bora greets you like a dream come true. A ring of motus, small sandy islets, encircling a lagoon so clear it seems lit from within. Arrival here is not just travel, it's stepping into a living painting. We arrived at the hotel and was welcomed with smiling staff greeting guests with flower leis and fresh coconut drinks. The moment you step onto the pier, you're welcomed with Polynesian warmth. A lei of fragrant tiar flowers, the soft strum of ukulele, and the promise of days where time moves gently, like the tide. Underwater shots, schools of colorful fish, rays gliding across white sand, coral gardens swaying with the current. Bora Bora's lagoon is its soul, a living canvas of blues and greens. Here you'll find coral reefs teeming with life. Butterfly fish, parrotfish, blacktip reef sharks, and elegant manta rays dancing in the current. Footage: stand-up paddleboarders, snorkelers, kayakers exploring quiet coves. Above water, the lagoon invites gentle adventure. Paddleboarding over shallow reefs, kayaking through hidden inlets, or simply floating under a sky so blue it feels endless. Nothing says Bora Bora like Overwater Bungalows, symbols of luxury and simplicity in perfect balance. Wake to the sound of waves below, watch tropical fish through glass floors, and end each day with sunsets framed by Mount Otemanu's silhouette. Romantic shots, breakfast trays floating in private plunge pools, couples enjoying sunset views. It's here, surrounded by water and sky, that life slows to its most beautiful rhythm. Mount Otemanu and the main island. Hiking trails, jeep safaris, and panoramic views from the mountain's lower slopes. Beyond the lagoon, Bora Bora's heart is volcanic stone and lush jungle. Mount Otemanu, rising 727 meters above sea level, stands as the island's silent guardian. Its jagged peaks shaped by millennia of wind and rain. Colorful hibiscus, coconut palms, and wild birds in the forest. Hike through tropical forests where ancient Polynesian temples hide under vines, and views open to the lagoon's patchwork of turquoise and sapphire. Culture and local life: traditional dance performance at sunset, drums echoing over the water. Visit the local market to taste ripe mangoes, fragrant pineapple, and discover black pearls, the treasures of Tahitian waters. In quiet moments, the true soul of Bora Bora shines. Warm smiles, shared stories, and a way of life shaped by the rhythm of tides. Lagoon excursions and hidden beaches. Boat tour gliding over clear water, stopping at coral gardens and secluded motus. One of Bora Bora's greatest joys is discovery. A boat tour reveals secret sandbars, untouched beaches shaded by palms, and shallow spots where rays glide inches from your feet. Footage of snorkeling with sea turtles, soft waves lapping at a private shore. It's in these quiet corners, far from resorts, that paradise feels personal. Poisson cru, Tahitian raw fish salad, served in coconut bowls, fresh grilled mahi-mahi, tropical fruit platters. Island cuisine is a celebration of freshness. Fish caught the same morning, fruit warmed by the sun, and flavors balanced between land and sea. Dessert, coconut bread, sweet banana po. Try poisson cru, marinated in lime and coconut milk. A dish as colorful as the lagoon itself. Sunset cocktails by the water, sunsets and night magic. Sun sinking behind Mount Otemanu, sky changing from gold to deep indigo. Evenings in Bora Bora are a quiet kind of magic. Sunsets that paint the lagoon in gold and rose, and stars that appear brighter than you've ever seen. Overwater bungalows softly lit, reflections shimmering in still water. Here the world feels vast yet intimate, a place to reflect, dream, and simply be. Best time to visit and travel tips. Bora Bora is beautiful year-round, but April to October brings drier weather and clearer skies. Bring reef-safe sunscreen, respect marine life, and leave only footprints. Paradise stays paradise when we care for it. Locals paddling outrigger canoes, tourists exploring with curiosity, drone shot rising over the lagoon, Mount Otemanu in soft twilight. Bora Bora is more than a destination. It's a feeling of peace, wonder, and timeless beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey to paradise. Subscribe for more UHD journeys to the world's most beautiful places. Until next time, Maururu and farewell from Bora Bora.